Hello, my name is Martin Morris. I live in Martin Morris. I live in California. Send me a check for $100 to P.O. Box 540, San Bernardino, California 92402. Today, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what I learned to help you reopen your indoor business. You don't know me. My name's Martin, 52. Had 16 years worth of retirement, so I was making 10, 20 to 30,000 passive income, reduced to $2,000 to $3,000 because of COVID. So I've developed these different programs, not only to help me make money, but also to help you make money. What I'm going to talk to you a little bit about today is what I learned from the other Undercover Billionaire comeback with Glenn Stearns, where he gave some suggestions to a martial arts studio in Erie, Pennsylvania. Just think, if Erie, Pennsylvania, a studio can grow, what could you do in California with the proper techniques? I recommend you join my 666 Undercover Billionaire Study Group program. We've got $6, $60, $600 options. You got to pay to play, man. Otherwise, hey, you can wait on Biden to get you some money or keep your business closed. Go work at a warehouse. I don't know, man. I'm just looking for people who want to get ahead, because I think this economy, as we get further and further in the year and more things open up, you're going to find out the true economic damage of COVID, as such what happened to this TKO in Erie, Pennsylvania. When Glenn Stearns started off, the studio was basically based to studio, all equipment, building, contracts was only worth $8,000. So that means the valuation was, if he would have sold it, the max he could have got was $8,000. Now with the changes they made, the new changes to the studio, investments and strategy and different things they use to get more money coming in, now the studio is worth $180,000. Just think of that. $8,000, that's basically your salary for a month, to $180,000. That's basically your salary for 3 or 4 years, man. Subscribe, comment, like if you like what I'm saying. Join this channel. We're looking for 555 new subscribers. So what did he do? Compare that to the value of zero, where I know several martial arts studios in California are closed, where the owner didn't get anything. It's just, that's it. You may pay the rent, maybe you claim bankruptcy, but $8,000 to $180,000. Do you think there's a lesson for you to be learned? Do you think you can learn something from that? Subscribe, comment, like, subscribe, comment, like. Now, what did this person do? In addition, he was able to get some insight from Billy Blanks. You know Billy, Tybo. It's a $100 million, $20 million business. So got a good input. So what are some things that you could do, simple, that they did, that you can do to rebuild your martial arts studio? Well, my focus is helping you get how to build up your indoor restaurant, indoor martial arts, indoor dancing studio again. What can we do? What skills are up? What's out there? Number one, so I'll break this part 1 and part 2 because I don't want to bore you. Only if you're motivated, join the 666 Undercover Billionaire Study Group. $6, $60, $600. We'll do it all in one day. First thing you do, you got to 10 times the number of people that your building can hold. So say you have a dance studio and it only has 5 people. You can only fit 5 people. You need to have 50 paying members. So that means you're going to keep recruiting. Even if you get to 50, you just keep recruiting, because you know people leave, people don't pay, things happen such as COVID, it gets shut down. You at least want to build up that cash reserve. So there at the Erie, Pennsylvania TKO, it was 40. The capacity was 40, but then you want to build it up so you're running 400 people somehow through there every week. Have 400 people on contract, and then, hey, find a way to get 400 in there. Maybe you have to get more space. Maybe you have to stagger your classes. Because that's what you've got to 10 times your business now. Because as we go late into 2021, we're going to find out some people are, was it like Buffett says, when the tide comes in, people don't have any clothes on. You see how fat, naked people are? Well, a lot of people are going to find out Biden's not going to help them. Dylan's not going to help them. You're going to only have to help yourself. That's why I founded the 666 Undercover Billionaire Study Group. To help you guys. My goal is just to help you. Help me, help you. We all want to get paid. It's a money world. And if you don't think it's a money world, I'm at Home Depot and there's 5 people trying to put one set of chains on a car. It's tough, man. It's tough out there, man. Subscribe, comment, like. Subscribe, comment, like. And here's another bonus one for today that I learned that you should do. You first, they call it filler up. I say get them in. Just get the people in. And while you're trying to get the people in, you got to know how to close. One thing I learned from martial arts, working at Macy's, working at Costco, you got to get the people in, but how do you overcome the stalls? How do you overcome the, I want to think about it stall? How do you come over, oh, I want to ask my wife stall? They're in your store, they're in your studio asking you this and that, and all this, oh, I don't know about the price, hemming and hawing. Well, they spend 5-6 times that drinking, doing crazy stuff. But then you're trying to give them something quality to help their kid, so the kid doesn't end up homeless, living with 3 guys in a car. You're like, oh, I'm not sure if I want to do that. Subscribe, comment, like if you know what I'm saying. How many of you have gotten stumped by that think about clause? Well, after this one, I'm briefly going to go over another think about way, how you can overcome that think about stalls. Go back, watch how I'm going through Grant Cardone's closure survival guide, where I'm just going to basically read through the book once a day, give you a close. Take that close, use it not only at your job, you can use it at your restaurant, use it with your kid, use it with your spouse, use it with your employees. Hey, use it with the dog, man. Take those closing skills, use them. Closing is for life, man. You know, like was 76% of people were living paycheck to paycheck, but now, well, half the people ain't even getting a paycheck. Half the people are getting unemployment, hoping that Biden won't cut that off. So you don't want to be like that. But there's money pumped into the economy by the government. But you got to position yourself as a business to get it. People need the martial arts studios. People need the dance studios. Go back and watch my previous videos. Subscribe, comment, like. Subscribe, comment, like. Do you agree with me? Or don't you agree with me? You say, hey, Martin, I don't want any of your programs. Great. I have a $75, $125, $200 program to help you pay off your car loan. I have a $200 program where I help you build a commission program. Subscribe, comment, like. Subscribe, comment, like. Let me help you, man. 1,000 mentorship program. So I have a variety of programs just to help you. You need to I don't want you to worry about having fun. I'm looking at people trying to go up to the snow. Hey, why? People broke, been having work 2 or 3 months. Let's go look at the snow. Now, unless you're going to sell some Coke, leave that snow alone. Subscribe, comment, like, subscribe, comment. I know I'm mean. You guys are like, you're so mean. Hey, that's why the rich people are going to get richer and the poor people are going to get poorer. You don't want to end up living in a car. You got women living in a car. I got 2 women living in their car in the park. You don't want to live like that. I'm like, where does she go to the bathroom at? Like, live as a guy, you can go piss somewhere. I'd be like, I don't know what she doing. Some freaky shit, man. Subscribe, comment, like. Subscribe, comment, like. So that's the tip I learned from the Undercover Billionaire Part 1. 10 time it. Fill her up. If your dance studio fits 5, get 50 people under contract. If you know some people aren't going to show up anyway. If you have 100 people that you can fit, get 1,000 people on contract. Because not even all of them are going to change their mind. If not, stagger their thing. Be creative. Your goal is to get that energy. If you get it assessed right, pump that energy up. People will come give you spaces. People will give you money. People want a partnership with you. So subscribe, comment, like. Subscribe, comment, like. So we need 655 new subscribers by 1 p.m. today. I know you're saying, well, how you going to get that many subscribers? I got 3,900 people from Macy's laid off. I got 45 Macy's stores closed, which means about another 1,000 people are going to be laid off of jobs. I got students only doing Zoom education, which they're going to go to their employers like, hey, get out of here with that Zoom shit, man. So there's 1,000. There should be like 1 million students on here. This going to get you a job quicker than looking at your teacher, jacking off while he's trying to give you some type of lesson on life. Come on, man. Subscribe, comment, like. Subscribe, comment, like. And then in the future, you'll realize, I think that's all I have right now. Subscribe, comment, like. I told you the programs. That's the new programs coming up. $6, $60, $600 programs for the Undercover Billionaire Study Group. Especially if you're motivated and you want to start your inside business. And you know you have the energy, you have the contacts. let's get it on, man. Let's do it. What's the worst that can happen? Take the billionaire stuff, and you make an extra 5 to 10,000 a month. Hey, 5 to 10,000 every couple of months. Subscribe, comment, like. Subscribe, comment, like. Let me know what you think. 655 new subscribers by 1 p.m. today. Remember, Undercover Billionaire, Comeback, TKO, Erie, Pennsylvania. If filling up their studio can make them more successful, what could that do for your studio? Just getting more people in. That's what I want you to think about today. How could you get 10 times more? Calling past students, having events, having alumni, having volunteer events. Just keep pumping the energy in. And I'll give you part 2 of what I learned from Erie, Pennsylvania later.